Hello guys, I'm going to show you how I organize my meals in case that you're very busy or you don't fancy to be cooking every day, which is my case. In 1 or 2 days you can organize the meals for the 7 days of the week, or at least 5, yeah? Let me show you in a minute. Let's see what I've got in the fridge. And this is the way I organize my meals. As you can see, everything's in the container. They are very easy because you can stick in the microwave and you have the food already warm. You can see I have here chickens. I write down the measure. Please don't copy this because everyone is different. And I have to say all these are my lunch. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 lunch in here. And then I like fish sometimes for lunch or sometimes for dinner. You can see I have a lot of cod in here. I have peppers, some veggies, the rice. I already showed you how I do it. I cook a big pot and then I measure how much I have to be eating, and the same with the chicken. I do a big pot of chicken and then I separate in the container how much I want to be eating each day, and the same with everything really. And then sometimes I have tuna as well, which saved my life. It's easy peasy for the night. I cook all my lunch, most of my dinner. Sometimes I improvise each night at the dinner, but then breakfast and snack I do it separately. Easy peasy, organize your food for the whole week.